If you are a student and hunting down your thesis paper or assignments right now, there's a big issue you should be aware of. Turnitin's latest update now doesn't just stop at catching obvious AI writing anymore. It can also detect content that's been adjusted or paraphrased to feel more natural. That's why many popular tools are suddenly falling short. But don't worry, StealthGPT enters the picture as a tool built specifically for this new reality. It's designed with detection systems in mind and claims to focus on protection as much as output, so that you can escape Turnitin. So in this video, we're going to analyze how it actually delivers, where it helps, and why you should use this from now. A common problem with academic tools is unnecessary complexity. Many platforms overwhelm users with cluttered dashboards and outdated layouts, increasing stress instead of reducing it. When first logging into StealthGPT, that issue is largely avoided. The interface is clean and immediately understandable. Navigation lives on the left, which gives direct access to every feature without forcing users to hunt through menus. Tool switching takes a single click. Dark mode reduces eye strain during long sessions, and the overall design feels current rather than neglected. For students already under pressure, this kind of usability matters because it removes friction at the moment they need speed and clarity. The next issue is the weakness of traditional humanizers. One of the biggest giveaways of AI writing is how flat it feels. The sentences sound fine on the surface, but they lack variation and personality, which is exactly what detection tools look for. The Humanizer steps in by changing the flow of the writing so it sounds more like natural speech. It doesn't just replace words, it reshapes the entire rhythm of the text, reworking sentence structure and vocabulary from the ground up. That makes it useful for students who want to protect their academic standing and for professionals who want emails and reports that feel thoughtful, clear, and genuinely human. After you are done repairing or refining older text, the next step is often creating something entirely new. StealthWriter is designed specifically for that purpose. Unlike the Humanizer, which focuses on transforming outside text, StealthWriter works directly from your prompt. You type in what you want and the content is generated inside the platform, written in a way that feels natural rather than mechanical. This removes the extra step of drafting content elsewhere and then running it through multiple tools. When you give StealthWriter a prompt, the system immediately starts structuring the piece. If the topic is academic, it organizes ideas logically and varies sentence length and structure in a way that reflects real human writing. If the task is professional, such as a cover letter or a memo, it adapts the tone to sound formal without feeling stiff. It also handles complex subjects with attention to detail, weaving concepts together instead of presenting them as disconnected points. The result is content that appears finished as soon as it is generated. Because the writing quality is already high, the need for repeated edits is reduced. This allows users to focus on refining ideas and intent, rather than correcting tone, flow, or readability. Shifting to content creation, the SEO Writer is built for people whose work depends on search visibility. It differs from the StealthWriter in one important way. Its primary focus is ranking and discoverability, not just natural language. As soon as you enter the tool, you're presented with two options: Basic and Advanced. Basic offers a quick setup, but Advanced opens up full customization. In Advanced mode, you decide how long the article should be by choosing from predefined blog lengths, which helps align the content with your SEO strategy. Another key feature is the image toggle. When this option is turned on, the AI automatically includes relevant images inside the article, placing them where they make sense within the content. This saves time and creates a more engaging reading experience. After providing a topic or target keyword, the AI builds a complete article with headings, structure, and keyword placement already handled. The finished content can be exported as Markdown for editors or as HTML for direct website uploads. To close the loop, you can run the article through the AI checker, ensuring it meets detection standards before publishing. You already have the text from StealthWriter, but the platform doesn't leave you wondering what happens next. The AI checker is there to confirm whether the writing is safe to use. You paste the content, run the check, and get a detailed score that shows how detection tools are likely to judge it. That transparency matters because it lets you make informed changes instead of hoping for the best. Knowing the results often match what systems like Turnitin report adds another layer of confidence. Since it's included, you don't need to manage extra tools or subscriptions just to verify your work. That same practical thinking shows up in the research tools. Chat with PDF takes documents that usually sit there unread and makes them usable. Upload a file and ask questions in plain language, whether it's a student trying to understand a tough chapter or a professional reviewing a report. The AI pulls answers straight from the uploaded text. It stays focused on your material and cuts down the time spent searching for details. The result is a faster, more natural way to study or work with complex documents. Another problem worth examining is consistency across outputs. Many AI tools perform well once but fail to reproduce the same quality repeatedly, creating uneven results that attract attention. StealthGPT attempts to solve this through controlled variability. Its outputs are not identical in structure or pacing, which mirrors natural human inconsistency. This design choice reduces detectable repetition and supports more believable writing over time. From an inspection angle, consistency without uniformity is a critical balance, and this platform appears to account for that need rather than ignoring it. From a broader risk perspective, users often rely on intuition instead of data when evaluating AI-generated work. That uncertainty increases stress and leads to overcorrection or underestimation of exposure. The inclusion of internal evaluation tools reframes this problem. By quantifying risk instead of abstracting it, StealthGPT shifts decision-making from guesswork to assessment. This does not remove responsibility, but it provides clearer signals that help users decide when revision or caution is necessary. In an academic environment where consequences are real, this measured approach is a practical improvement. Another common issue is fragmentation. Students and writers often juggle multiple platforms for drafting, checking, researching, and studying. Each transition adds friction and increases the chance of error. StealthGPT's integrated environment is positioned as the solution to that fragmentation. By centralizing writing, evaluation, and learning tools, it reduces context switching. From an inspection standpoint, this integration is not just about convenience, it directly impacts focus and productivity. Fewer tools mean fewer mistakes, less duplicated effort, and a clearer workflow from start to finish. The final issue is whether StealthGPT offers real value or just temporary avoidance. Based on our experience, its strength lies in adaptability. It addresses detection risks while also improving writing quality and study efficiency. Instead of focusing solely on hiding AI use, it expands into learning and productivity. For users who care about grades, time, and peace of mind, StealthGPT presents a comprehensive solution worth serious consideration. Check out the description link, sign up, and use it right now. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching.